Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ainin Sofia. I'm from IM245. Today I would like to present about the maximum rules from course IMS555. Okay, here is my content starting from introduction, criteria of maximum rules, example of maximum rules, conclusion and also reference. Okay, let's start with introduction. The introduction about the maximum rule is a decision-making principle used in game theory and decision theory. It suggests using the option with the maximum possible payoff, assuming that the worst-case scenario for each option is considered and the decision maker seeks to minimize and maximum potential loss or regrets. The maximum rules advise selecting the option that guarantee the best outcome in the worst case scenario. This approach is often used in situations where the decision maker is risk averse or where the consequences of a bad outcome are considered more important than potential gains. Now is about the criteria of maximum rules. First one is maximum means maximize and minimum payoff. This criteria is appropriate for pessimist person. Using this criteria, the decision maker looks at the worst that can happen under each action and then choose the action that has the largest payoff of the worst case scenario. Maximize payoff criteria. Maximum means maximize and maximum payoff. Choose the option that make the maximize and minimum payoff. In other words, select the option where the worst case scenario has the highest possible outcome among all options. Okay, the next is maximize regret criterion. Maximize regret means maximize the maximum regret. Maximum regret is the matrix that indicate if you choose an option at maximum how much you can regret by not selecting other option. It is also known as an opportunity cost. Let's consider the same decision tree again. Okay, you can select the maximize regret criterion. Whenever you choose the maximize regret criteria, you will find the decision tree is updated with the green highlighted path based on the maximum regret criteria. Alright, so here is the example of maximum rules. The maximum rules involve the selecting the alternative that maximize the minimum payoff achievable. The investor would look at the worst possible outcome at each supply level, then select the highest one of these. Then the decision maker therefore choose the outcome which is guaranteed to minimize his loss. In the process, he lose out on the opportunity of making big profit. As you can see, this is about the supply salad, grocery, and payoff table. Alright, this is the example table actually about the how many salad will decide to supply looking at the payoff table. So as you can see, the highest minimum payoff areas from supply 40 salads. This ensure that the worst possible scenarios they result in a gain of at least $80. And then this is the conclusion about the maximum rules is a valuable decision-making principle, especially in this situation where maximizing risk and ensuring a favorable worst-case scenario outcome and paramount. By evaluating options based on their worst-case scenario and selected the one with the highest maximum payoff or the best worst outcome, decision maker can make more informed and risk-averse choice. So here is my reference about the maximum rules, and thank you.